X Empire. The main mining phase has ended. Token distribution in progress. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Crypto Joel. Today I will give you the latest news about the X Empire. So X Empire already ended their mining. So the distribution is on progress. I hope that I receive my token. I only reached a level 22. So I hope those per hour, if not, no, will reflect my token that I will receive. No, I hope if it is 8 billion token, maybe half, oh, no, but we don't know the exact value of the expire X Empire token. So for more information, I will check this. Follow the news. I will open. So task for participating airdrop, you have to connect your wallet. I already done, then make a transaction. So airdrop is an distribution of tokens players wallet. These tokens will be traded on top exchanges. You can either sell or hold them. To receive your tokens, you must connect your wallet. So this is the policy on the expired token. The number of tokens you receive will depend on the total amount of in-game currency you've earned throughout the game. So I think the total token throughout the game mine is 1.9 trillion. Your hourly income, so keep upgrading your character. So your hourly income is 8 billion. The number of friends you've invited to the game. So in my case, I have 5 friends, no. Then so connect your wallet now and invite your friends. You will reward your efforts generously. Okay. So this is the X Empire. We will see the expired community. So this is the latest update. So X Empire community has 22.3 million subscribers. So according to their posts, our project is only in 3 months old. 3 months old. Yet we already achieve incredible results. No? So this post is about expressing our deepest gratitude to you, our community, for the amazing story we built together. So I think they built players 30 million players, if I'm not wrong. Every milestone we've hit is thanks to our collective effort, and now it's time to celebrate this remarkable achievement together. So according to them, once again we've proven that our community is the true strength of this project. So we appreciate you all so much. As this is only the beginning. Ahead of us are years of growth for our project and ecosystem around it, bringing benefits and joy to all our users. Very soon you'll discover what waiting for us ahead. So this is the message of the X Empire, no? So a lot of reaction from the, of course this is the reaction, no? Okay. So then of course the owner, Pavel Dorov, for, of course, Pavel Durov is the creator, the founder of the Telegram. So without him, there is no Telegram game we played today, no? So I hope this video will give you guidance about the X Empire, and of course we will only wait for the token distribution and how much the value. I hope the value will like hamster combat or the dogs, no? So we don't know, no? We don't know yet, no? But in my own estimate, maybe 3 to 4 zeros, no? If you receive billion token, no? So if the supply is bigger, of course the value is also much more zeros, no? But if the supply is limited, the value is also limited, no? 0.01 or 0.1, but you receive only few or small amount of token, no? Okay, so I hope you learned something today, and of course don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel Crypto Joel, and always hit the notification bell so that you will notify on whatever the cryptocurrencies or the meme token or Telegram game I will post in my YouTube channel. Okay, but remember, this is not the financial advice. This is only for educational purpose only. Do your own diligent research. Thank you and have a good day to all of us.